Hey Trina.
Hi, faggot.
Hey Trina.
Hey, faggot.
What you doing?
Checking my Facebook. The fuck does it look like I'm doing? Oh, got a text message.
That's cool.
What do you mean? I
Talk.
don't know.
Are you one of those people that text and talk?
Yes, that is me.
Well, it's pretty annoying, so you should stop. Got it? What?
What?
You annoy the fuck out of me.
You annoy the fuck out of me, fag.
I'm recording.
Shut up, I'm preparing.
La 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 la. Whose face is that on Facebook?
Dave's mom's. Wow.
Whoa. How do you feel about Dave?
What?
Just.
You freaked me out, man.
It's a baby.
My brother's baby.
It's your brother's baby.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Yo, cool, man. Oh, man. I gotta do this because I'm awesome. Because I'm awesome. 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 That's not what I wanted to do.
Oh.
Dude. Okay.
That's...
Preparing. She's preparing. I don't know what she's preparing for, but... Been sitting here for 2 minutes.